The quokka is a small, herbivorous marsupial native to Western Australia, particularly Rottnest Island and Bald Island. Known worldwide as the happiest animal on Earth, because of its natural smile, the quokka has become a favorite among wildlife enthusiasts. Despite its friendly appearance, this animal requires very specific conditions to survive and thrive. Let's explore its diet, living needs, habits, and care tips in detail. Broccoli diet. Food. Quokkas are strict herbivores. In the wild, they eat a variety of grasses, leaves, bark, roots, and native shrubs. Their diet includes grass-like plants, succulent leaves, shrubs such as Ghisanoscheletifolia, small amounts of berries or seeds occasionally. They are well adapted to their dry habitats and can survive long periods without drinking water, as they get most of their moisture from plants. However, fresh, clean drinking water should always be available in captivity. In a managed environment, it's essential to avoid processed or sugary food. Human foods like bread, chips, and sweets can seriously harm their digestive systems. Never feed them fruits high in sugar like bananas or apples in excess. Checkmark safe foods in care. Sweet potato raw and chopped. Native grasses or hay, spinach or kale in moderation. House habitat. Living conditions. In the wild, quokkas live in dense vegetation, bushlands, and thickets. They need areas that provide cover from predators and cool shelter during the hot daytime. If you are caring for a quokka in a sanctuary or conservation setting, you should provide a large, secure outdoor enclosure, natural shrubs, logs, and rocks for hiding and playing, soft ground cover like soil or grass, a shelter area to protect from rain and direct sun. The enclosure should be escape-proof and predator-safe, with shaded areas and open spaces for exercise. They are active and agile jumpers, so enclosures should be built with height and care. Crescent moon behavior and routine. A day in a quokka's life. Quokkas are nocturnal animals, meaning they are mostly active during the night and rest during the day. They are naturally curious and social. In the wild, they live in groups, which gives them protection and companionship. They are very playful and energetic, not aggressive, but can bite if threatened. Known to climb small trees and shrubs. Creatures of routine, they follow the same paths daily. Their friendly nature makes them seem approachable, but in many regions, touching or feeding quokkas is illegal without permits. Stethoscope care tips. Take care tips. Taking care of a quokka requires attention to their natural behaviors and environmental needs. Here are some key tips. Checkmark feed naturally. Only provide plant-based foods that mimic their wild diet. Droplet water access. Supply clean, fresh water every day, even if they don't drink much. Soap hygiene. Clean the enclosure regularly. Remove old food, droppings, and keep bedding fresh. Brain enrichment. Provide things like branches, puzzle feeders, and climbing areas to keep them active. Social needs. Quokkas are social. Ideally, keep more than one together for emotional health. Man health worker vet visits. Routine health checks help catch illnesses early, such as fur loss or lethargy. Warning. Legal awareness. Quokkas are a protected species. Make sure you have the necessary permits if working in wildlife care or sanctuary environments. Warning. Important legal note. Quokkas are protected under Australian law. Keeping one as a pet without special permission is strictly illegal. They are best observed in wildlife parks or ecotourism settings. Checkmark. Conclusion. The quokka is a lovable, energetic creature that brings joy to everyone who sees it. Its smiling face hides the fact that it is a vulnerable species, needing careful attention to diet, habitat, and social interaction. With the right environment and proper care in a legal setting, quokkas can live happy and healthy lives, just as nature intended.